Hi everyone, it's Miss Brunner. I'm here to go over your 9th grade ELA Author's Purpose project. Today we are going to be working on a project workshop. We are going to start writing our Article 2 now that we have completed our research. Our Article 2's purpose is to inform. So we need to organize our information within your second article. I recommend that you look back over the Author's Purpose project directions and rubric video, so that way you can closely follow the directions. Your article needs an introduction and conclusion, so please make sure that you are including a thesis statement in your introduction. Use evidence from your research to inform the audience. You need to have selected information from your research to incorporate into this article, and then make sure that you are citing that information with in-text citations. Make the article and pictures visually appealing would be our last step after we have completed the writing and cleaned up any grammatical errors and made sure our citations are in place. Alrighty, and that is our checklist for this project workshop. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.